I'm super excited to announce that my new mentorship program, the Creators Growth Project, is ready. I'm accepting applications now. There's an application form at the bottom of this page, and I'm only accepting 10 students in this first running of the program. What is the Creators Growth Project? My mission is to help as many people as I can grow a YouTube channel and a business on the back of that YouTube channel. So there's 2 tracks to the program. There's a YouTube track and a business track, and we're going to do both of them in parallel. Also, this first running of the program is going to be 6 weeks long. It's going to include 6 weekly group sessions, and each session will include a presentation portion where I'm presenting things, but then an interactive portion where you get involved, and also there's going to be some homework after each one. Each session will be, I'm thinking, maybe 90 minutes, maybe even 2 hours, maybe more. Everyone might be different. And as well, there's going to be private sessions. So everybody in the program is going to get 3 one-on-one private calls with me. So these will be Zoom calls where, I can share my screen, you can share your screen, whatever we need to do. It'll be custom tailored to what you need help with. And those will probably be every second week on average. In addition to that, there is the Alumni Hub. Now, the Alumni Hub is something that you're going to get access to as soon as the 6-week program ends. All right. Once that finishes, you're going to graduate and then you're going to be dropped into the Alumni Hub. Once you get in there, it'll be just you 10, the first 10 people. Okay. And what's going to be included in that is also chat and DM capabilities. But in addition, monthly sessions that I'll be hosting where we can all get together again by video. And, the learning will continue. You can share what's going on in your channel, in your business. I may bring in special guests periodically, right? So it's whatever you guys need. It's to continually support one another and get support from me as well. Every time I run the Creators Growth Program, another class, okay, and I'm tentatively targeting March, probably mid-March, to run the next class after this one. When they graduate, those 10 people will get dropped into the Alumni Hub, so then there will be 20. Okay, so 2, 3, 4 times a year, you will have more people added to the Alumni Hub, more people you can get to know and get to learn from, and so it's going to be a growing community that way. So as I said, the application process starts today. Feel free to apply down below. Over the next couple of days, I'm going to go over the applications and I'll reach out to those who are successful, but I can only take 10. Maybe I can take more than that in the future, but this first one will just be 10. Also, with this first one, it's 6 weeks, okay? That's accelerated. I envision this program as a 12-week program, okay? And the first 12-week program will start, as I say, in March, and then I plan on running that 2 to 3 times a year. Now, after running this 6-week program with you, we may decide together that 6 weeks is enough, okay? We're going to pack a lot of stuff into 6 weeks, but that might be enough. Maybe that's all you need, and maybe the ongoing support through the Alumni Hub will suffice after that. But my plan is to run a 12-week program in March, and if any of you who join this first program decide you want the longer experience and you want to join the 12-week program, the first one in March, you will have priority over anybody else, but also you will get a full credit to whatever you spent on this first program when joining the first long one. Does that make sense? If you want more information, feel free to reach out to me. If you've heard enough and you feel like applying, the form is below. Send in your application. I'll get back to you. Whether you're a fit or not, I will get back to you. Okay? But the next step would be a Zoom call with me and you to get to know each other and for you to ask me more questions, or for me to ask you questions and get an idea as to what you're trying to do. We'll have that Zoom call, and it will be after that. That's a free call. It'll be after that I'll send you, if I still think we're a fit, and if you still think you're a fit, I'll send you a link to get signed up. That's it for now. My name is Rob. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions, check out the information below. You might be able to answer them down there. If not, feel free to reach out to me. And that said, I look forward to hopefully working with you. All right. Talk soon. Bye.